All right, let's go. What a weekend it was. I hope you all enjoyed your Valentine's Day. It's always nice to spend that quality time with the ones you love. We saw whales buying a lot of XRP, around 60 million over the past 24 hours.
Did you buy the dip? Did you buy the dip? You did not buy the dip? I bought the dip.
Canada disrespected us in hockey and quickly discovered that this is the new America.
We are Canada's biggest nightmare since Justin Trudeau.
We found out that a wig and jewelry can actually make an alien look uglier. And the #1 streaming video on Pornhub, Argentinian president savagely f***ed thousands of crypto traders. So we got a lot to talk about, and we'll also take a look at the updated charts, daily and weekly, for XRP. But let's start right here from the man himself, Brad Garlinghouse. Walked away from an action-packed day in DC yesterday with the feeling that there is finally an incredible opportunity to advance meaningful, bipartisan legislation that establishes clear, constructive, and pro-innovation regulatory frameworks for crypto. So I think at this point, no one knows for sure what role Brad may play within this newly created crypto council, but it seems very likely that he and Ripple are going to be involved, and possibly heavily involved in some way. And we just saw this post earlier today from the Doge account on X. Doge is seeking help from the public. Please DM this account with insights on finding and fixing waste, fraud, and abuse relating to the Securities and Exchange Commission.
I never wanted this bullshit job.
And the other big news is this. As of February 14th, the SEC has officially and legally stated that XRP is not a security. And this news caused XRP to go from $2.40 all the way up to $2.80 before dropping back down. And if we look here at the daily chart for XRP, we have to keep in mind that with the daily chart, it's obviously a shorter time frame than the weekly or monthly charts that we normally look at on this channel. And with shorter time frames, you can get more false signals. So you can see this pattern that XRP is forming right now. This is called a descending broadening wedge. And in technical analysis, a descending broadening wedge is a bullish pattern that typically forms during a downtrend and suggests a potential reversal to an uptrend. And with that being said, if XRP does break out from this wedge, this 370-ish level would be the measured breakout target. It is important to note that due to the formation of this pattern, it is possible that we could see XRP wick all the way down towards the bottom of this wedge, as we saw right here. And if we look at this bottom of the wedge, this is around $1.70. We'll take a look at some more target price levels here in just a minute. And real quick, I want to thank BitMedia for sponsoring this video. BitMedia is a company that has really changed the game for crypto marketing over the past 10 years. So if you represent a quality crypto project, BitMedia is definitely something you want to check out. They've recently rolled out advanced features like Web3 audience targeting, allowing for precise ad delivery to crypto wallet users. Their header bidding system optimizes ad space auctions, increasing the revenue for publishers. BitMedia has also recently tapped into Telegram ads, offering a new way for direct audience interaction. And they have also just extended their services to include gambling and betting as well. So if you're looking to increase the reach of your project, I'll leave some info below on BitMedia. And if you're not following what's going on with Javier Milei and the LIBRA token, this is a story that continues to get worse. Hayden Davis, who is an insider behind the meme coin that was endorsed by Javier Milei, it's called LIBRA, said he made about $110 million. Some insiders were reimbursed over $5 million, while retail saw about a $4.4 billion drop in market cap. And now Milei is reposting a how to buy Libra token tutorial. And it seems like this Hayden Davis is the same one who is behind the Melania token and maybe also Dave Portnoy's jail stool as well.
It's like more or less 100 mil, like right around there. So let's say like 110-ish million, right, of cash, because tokens you can't inject back into a chart.
Whose money is it?
It's, I mean,
I mean,
That's what I don't. I think that's the question.
I don't know. I mean, it's
Now Libra is pumping and jail stool is dropping, but who the hell knows what is going on? So definitely be careful. You have to remember, if you're gonna play in shit, you are likely to get shit on. You definitely don't want to end up like this guy at tax time.
In January, I bridged my staked ETH from Arbitrum to ZK Tendies bridge, and then the bridge depegged mid-transaction, so I had to panic swap. Then I staked it in the Mommy DAO for some good boy points. It's soft drugged. Soft drug? That's like, when the devs disappear but the Discord's still active, so is that a write-off? Or what about, so I staked ASS, and ASS is a coin, ASS coin, and then I got some wrapped poo, and I put that in a hyper-compounding elastic rebasing yield farm.
All right, let's take a look at some other top headlines. Bitcoin and ETH lag behind XRP amid Fed's hawkish stance and US CPI woes. And you can see this right here. According to CoinShares, XRP leads the week in inflows, while Bitcoin saw massive amounts of outflows. It is interesting to note that when you look at the monthly flows, all the money seems to be flowing into Ethereum. According to Ellie Tourette of Fox Business, the new SEC Crypto Task Force is keeping a log of all its meetings with industry players. And so far, they have focused mainly on regulation and how the agency's new approach will affect certain markets and products. Abu Dhabi's sovereign wealth fund bought $436 million worth of Bitcoin ETFs in Q1. And this just in, Joe Biden has officially changed his name to Dash, as he will be remembered as the Dash between 45 and 47. All right, let's take a look right now at some more target price levels for XRP. And we'll take a look at this now on the weekly scale. There are hidden bullish divergences on both the RSI and the stochastic RSI, comparing them to the price of XRP. In addition, we crossed above the $2.60 level on a weekly close, which adds to the overall bullish case. Of course, if we see another full candle close above 260 next week, this will just amplify the bullish signals. However, we also need to pay attention to the stochastic RSI and this 20 level right here. If both lines end up below this 20 level, which is this red line right here, and stay below, you should expect this orange box to get hit for a good DCA opportunity. And this orange box is made up of the 0.618 and the 0.786 fib retracement levels, and this corresponds to between $1.11 and $1.60. So I'll be watching, and I'll keep you updated with any new information. I hope you all enjoy your President's Day holiday. Don't forget that on the other side, this is what Canada sees. And even though we may not always see eye to eye, it's nice to own your mistakes and take responsibility.
I apologize.
Nobody's perfect.
I'm breaking all the rules.
So I guess we might make some mistakes. Who knows?
I think one of the biggest problems we have in DC is that everyone's egos are too big.
I actually just prefer to have no titles at all.
You're opening yourself up.
I'm just being me. Let's go.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
But just remember,
love is like a fart. If you have to force it, it's probably shit.
And if you have a couple more minutes, you may also like this video right here, more massive news that could really pump the price of XRP. Till the next time, be safe.